क्या बात है? आदाब।
ये
वही पंचर में गजरा देखो
ऐसी बोलो थोड़ा बाहर कर देना।
अच्छा गजरा देखो
नीचे आ जाना मैडम। फुल बहुत जाएगा।
Yes, yes, yes.
आ जाइए सब आ जाइए।
आ जाओ मछली
स्टार्ट होना है।
Maria.
आ जाओ सब आ जाओ।
Start from the start.
ये
Hello, Fia. Saya.
गजरा
जो गजरा पहना वो गजरा सुंगो, जो नहीं पहना वो आधा। किधर गया?
बताया गया है मंडी
किशोर सूंगी। होल्ड होल्ड।
Thank you so much.
अब आपका दोनों का सोलो। दोनों का सोलो कैसा होएगा? इनका एक का सोलो था। हाँ अब आपका सोलो।
What you dressed up as? You can take this. I can.
ये सोनाक्षी बन के आई है।
Start from.
Karan,
Ah, yeah.
take this. There is Kiran. Yeah.
Now you.
चलो नेक्स्ट हो
You're not
गया।
wearing a knife.
हाजरी। ये क्या?
नेक्स्ट
Yeah. Yeah.
No, this, the play card.
Yeah. Like you, yeah.
हाँ
Sir, yeah.
So he's holding that paper.
Sir, yeah.
नेक्स्ट मामा जी
Just wait. You just go.
हाँ ये
Please keep it straight. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
चल सर अरे वापिस आ
Should I come?
I'm coming.
It's up.
Yeah.
Thank you, you too. I like what you're wearing.
रजवाड़ा look और हीरा मंडी थीम है आपके बर्थडे पार्टी का आज we all are looking forward to it. Please tell us about it.
First of all, thank you so much for coming here. And secondly, I am very excited because it's one of our theme. And we were going back to that era actually. और it's not an easy theme. So it took us a lot of time and we all were very excited कि let's do something different. Not just a regular birthday party, but a party where we all enjoy and have a theme and we all dress up well and it's like my friends, they were really excited कि let's do something where we dress up well and it really took us a lot of time to get everything sorted because it's not an easy theme. It's like you have to really find things and not everybody has everything at home like this kind of look. And we've also decided that we want to go very close to the character और हम उसमें से pick up भी करेंगे कौन सबसे closest dress up हुआ है and I'm going to share it with you all. And I'm really eagerly waiting to see all my friends कि वो किस character में आए हैं. And as they all voted for me to be Bebo Jan, so I am here, Bebo Jan, and I am waiting to see others how they are dressed up. And I just want this night to be really amazing and not just a regular birthday, but a birthday where we all remember and become an event kind of thing and have a great time together. So thank you, all of you, for coming here.
Shweta, ये outfit बनाने में to choose what you have to wear, I'm sure ये must be a preparation for days.
Yes.
Please tell us about your outfit, what you're wearing today.
It was definitely, and thanks to Rohit Verma, my very dear friend. This is his outfit, and he got me this outfit, and I've been styled by Rehan. And yes, by being them by my side, it was easier for me to get this look. But at the same time, it's not easy because a lot of brainstorming was done. Okay, what we have to do, how we have to do, how we do it. So finally, this is the look that came out, and I'm so happy, and I hope you all like it too.
So Shweta, आपकी पार्टी में कोई बेबो खान और भी होने वाले हैं या that's just a birthday girl?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
I said बेबो जान और भी होने वाले हैं या it's just a birthday girl?
I think it's just the birthday girl who's going to be Bebo Chan. Rest, everybody has picked up some different character because they all wanted me to be Bebo Chan. So it's my birthday and that's what they decided. Only one Bebo Chan. Rest, everybody is going to be some different character.
Any questions anyone? Thank you Shweta.
Thank you.
Shweta and Karan, what a lovely brother-sister duo. और Karan, we are so happy to see कि आपने अपनी बहन के बर्थडे में पूरा थीम रॉक किया बहुत ब्यूटीफुली. क्या कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं आप?
Absolutely. I think हमारे घर में सबसे ज़्यादा बर्थडे अगर किसी का अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है तो वो हमारी बहन का है और इसी की थीम थी इसी का थॉट प्रोसेस था कि ये थीम रखेंगे and of course I have to
Live up to it.
live up to it and set an example. So I tried to do my best what I could do from my side. Now it's up to you whether you like it or you don't like it, if there are improvements. But
doesn't he look exactly like Tarzan?
That is going to say what
But-
character.
but thankful to the about the Tazdar look that we had.
Close up.
Close up.
अरे थोड़ा आप अंदर से क्लोज है, बाहर मत जाओ यार।
ओके,
बस।
और ये ताजदार लुक काफ़ी अच्छा है और काफ़ी हिट हो चुका है, इसलिए मैंने ये आज अपने ऊपर ट्राई किया है। तो आज देखिए बाकी लोग का लुक भी कैसा है, आई एम श्योर काफ़ी अच्छा।
Because everybody has tried a lot, and he's been preparing this since from Dubai.
सिस्टम दुबई,
Abu Dhabi, yeah.
ये यहाँ से लेके आना है, ये दुबई से लेके आना है, ये अबू धाबी में मिला है, शर्ट बॉम्बे से लिया है मैंने, जैकेट और पैंट कहीं और से लिया है। So it's been a mixture of everything in this look.
Thank you so much, and Shweta, wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
so much.
Thank you.
पहले तो विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे और शी इज़ लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी गॉर्जियस एज यूजुअल। सो बहुत कंफ्यूजन था कि यार मतलब मैं क्या प्ले करूँ, मतलब आज मतलब बहुत से ऑप्शंस थे, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना फरदीन खान जो वली मोहम्मद का कैरेक्टर जिन्होंने प्ले किया है हीरा मंडी में, सो आई ट्राइड प्ले दैट कैरेक्टर। सो वो सिंपल था और अच्छा था, तो डिसेंट लुकिंग।
Yeah, you're looking really nice in that. But thank you for coming and you're looking handsome as Pradeep Khan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Raja.
यार पहले विजुअल
I
लेना
think
है,
it's still so many.
इसलिए तो बोला कि दूर का टेबल।
मैं लगा था आपको
वो फाइट करना है।
I'll reach for it. Viraj, come.
टेबल आ रहा है यार बीच में, लगा टेबल।
Oh, oh.
अरे टेबल हटा लो ना। अरे टेबल साइड करना, किधर है यश? ये टेबल आउट करवा दो ना। इसको इधर, हाँ थोड़ा उधर खींच, उधर खींच, और खींचो, और हाँ बस चल, चल बस, बाद में बाइट होएगा तो उधर ले लो। हाँ विजुअल तो हो ढंग से। Kan? खड़ा करना होगा। Thank you.
I'm going to stand.
Yeah, I think you just
मैम थोड़ा फोटो इधर। इधर कैमरा लुक कैमरा। चलो हो गया। अरे फरदीन खान का फोटो ही अभी आया।
सही है।
फरदीन खान का फोटो अभी आया। वो टाइम पर फोटो नहीं था रहा। अरे वो लेकर तो आया था थैंक
Hi. फोटो है कि वीडियो है?
थैंक यू।
सेंटर सेंटर इधर नो कोई पंचा
That's all? Okay.
सर रुको रुको।
Who's asking?
रोहित, you're looking beautiful, gorgeous.
क्या भाई, ये फाइट कर रहा
आपका जो
है।
ऋषभ कर लेना।
सेंटर में चलेगा चलेगा
दोनों के साथ में कर देना।
नहीं मार लो।
Thank you.
चलो बस आगे इधर ही करो।
चलो दीपिका।
रोहित, gorgeous as ever. आज श्वेता की birthday के लिए what is that special look that you've designed for yourself?
Well, when Shweta came up with the theme of Hiramanji, I think so. This is one thing which it's running in everybody's DNA right now. It's trending. So it couldn't be such a beautiful theme, better theme than Hiramanji. Of course, you have to support your friend. So I'm just wearing myself and yes, and thank you, Shweta. Shweta is a very close friend of mine. She's a very beautiful human being. I genuinely love her a lot, and we just connected recently, almost like 6 months back, and the way we know each other, the way she's standing by me, at 3 o'clock in the night, she's always there for me. One phone call, she will leave all her work for me. It really means a lot. I think, you know, I've lost of words to express my gratitude and what a beautiful person. However, she looks so pretty herself, but her inner beauty is also very beautiful.
But so are you, Rohit, because
That goes without saying.
yeah. And also my entire look has been like, you know, curated by him, the outfit is by him. And yes, when he says that the theme was because of me, no, the theme was because of him, not because of me. Because the kind of creativity he has, I don't think I have recently seen in anyone. And what do I think? First of all, I would like to congratulate you for your show, which was like fantastic because I was there to watch the show. And trust me, one of the most amazing show, most amazing outfits. And Rohit, I'm so proud of you for doing such an
Thank you
amazing
very much.
concept.
It's a lot.
And since he has such amazing concept, my birthday thing was actually beautiful.
Thank you. She's been very generous.
क्योंकि आपने जाना चाहिए आप क्या बन के आए हैं और आपकी हीरामणि का आप बन कर आए हैं
मैं मल्लिका जान बन के आया हूँ यहाँ पे लगाओ टेबल Where is the table?
And he can only be Malika Jan. He cannot be anything else. And that's why I'm his daughter. I am Pepo Jan.
So Rohit, would you like to choose the character?
yes.
यही है मेरा सब कुछ
No, you have to take this. Because you're Malika Jan.
Okay.
Sir, you have to pick one.
सेंटर में बुलाओ। हाँ सेंटर में बुलाओ।
ना टीचर
Sir, you have to pick
I'm modern Mallika Jan.
one. Sir, you have to
I can't stand now. But thank you. Two people. Thank you. Happy birthday, Bharat.
Happy Raji.
Sir, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
राकेश, क्या कहेंगे आज शीरा मंडी का थीम है श्वेता का बर्थडे पार्टी, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
श्वेता को हैप्पी बर्थडे कहेंगे और हीरा मंडी का थीम है, हम दोनों थीम में आए हैं। हीरा मंडी नेटफ्लिक्स पे देखने वाली ऑडियंस बन गई, तो देखिए अभी ऑडियंस जाएगी तो देखेगी हीरा मंडी में कौन कैसा ड्रेसअप हो गया है, कौन कैसा डांस करता है, नृत्य भी हो रहे हैं ना,
एब्सोल्युटली।
तो बस वो हम देखेंगे और फिर हम इरशाद बोलेंगे। विश श्वेता वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे Shweta. May she succeed, may she do very well, may she make all of us very proud, and may she always be happy. That's all we wish for our friends. Thank you. You and Mozart.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shan?